Product development is a continual process at Horne. We are always looking at ways to enhance product features. Our Vandal and Ligature resistant showerhead has a 50% bigger spray plate than conventional designs to give a more drenching shower, even at low flow rates. By clever design, the increase in materials used is negligible. Let's have a look at these features in more detail. The shape and polished chromium plating gives this showerhead optimal ligature resistance. The head splays out to accommodate the relatively large spray plate, maximising the throw of the water while keeping material volumes low. The spray plate design offers two alternative directional settings. If water spray falls beyond the shower tray, the angle of throw, and thus the horizontal displacement, can be reduced by rotating the spray plate through 180 degrees. Unscrew the two holding screws to disengage the spray plate. Rotate it through 180 degrees, then refit into the showerhead housing. The spray plate angle is only altered by a couple of degrees at the showerhead, but this translates into a considerable horizontal shift at floor level. Compare the spray footprint for each setting. Note too that the higher the shower panel is mounted on the wall, the larger the footprint will be. The showerhead is designed for easy cleaning. It features a spray nozzle array composed of flexible silicone rubber that can be cleaned in situ or removed if more thorough cleaning is required. A flow regulator governs the mixed water flow rate across a range of inlet pressures to 6 litres per minute. It reduces water and energy consumption while ensuring an effective spray. The fixed showerhead is available across our range of shower panels. It is paired with various flow and temperature control combinations, including dual outlet panels, to cater for almost any application.